Hi there. Today I'm going to give you a short demo of Vobium Health Manager, which is a software to store your family's complete medical records on your computer. This is the login screen from which you can see the user ID password. This basically software has a capability of storing up to 20 family members complete health information. So each family member would have his own complete account and area which would be password protected. Let us take a sample. Vobium Health Manager is a very useful software in a way that it can store your family's entire health information and you can get all the information in a quick way. This is the welcome screen in which there are quick links to all the modules that are present, all the sections that are present in the software, right from a baby to a senior person in the family. There are sections for entering data and entering all the medical information. This screen is divided into a welcome screen and a dashboard. I'll explain the dashboard at a later stage. On the top, if you click on health, this is the health main page, which actually gives you a quick description of each and every section. Let me show you all the sections in detail. The health problems section contains of allergies and conditions and diseases. In condition diseases, actually you can store all your health problems, like right from a fracture to a chronic condition like diabetes, blood pressure. In allergies module, you can store all your allergies, ongoing or past, which could always prove useful. Conditions and disease, I'll give you an overview. Let's say a diabetes record. If you double click on it, you can see the complete details of that record. A very nice thing about this software is that we have created a complete related information section. Just having a list of medicines or list of tests is not important. Another important thing is you need to know for which health problem you did which doctor visits, which medicines did you take, which tests and checkups did you do. This section of related records actually lets you do that, and it is very easy to actually even link related records. Like, okay, for this diabetes you want to link related home remedy or link related test and checkup. You can always do it quickly via a click of a button. You can also export all this data in a PDF format. So if you want to take to your doctor your complete diabetes history, your diabetes profile, you can, all this information can be exported in a PDF format, which you can email to your doctor. You can carry it on a USB and the doctor can see it on his computer if he wishes. Another important thing that you can do, there is a complete sharing module which actually lets you decide which family members do you want to actually share this record. Not every record of your health or medicine you would like to share with all your family members. Like, say, a daughter in the family would not be comfortable sharing problems with the father or with the father-in-law. So from here, quickly, if you can change the sharing type to private, so then this record will be made private. No one else can see this record from their login account. And you can also have a custom sharing where you can say, okay, show this record only to myself and another person. Also, you can also have a access level that this record can only be edited by me, only be viewed by this person. This kind of access levels have been provided. We know that health is a private matter and you want to use such a feature, and in case where you want that particular health information needs to be shared with the entire family, you can always keep it family shared. Now let me actually give you a complete overview of each and every module. The pregnancy module is very useful for a woman who wants to track all her pregnancies, past, ongoing, or even complete baby details can be recorded. If you can see the pregnancy view mode, this is it. The pregnancy outcome details, what was the delivery details, baby details, everything can be stored. Now the test and checkups module, and anytime you click on the left, you actually landing on the list view. That is a grid or a table view which shows you quickly in a spreadsheet format all the tests that you've added. One of the very good features of the test module is that suppose you've done quite a lot of tests over a period of time, say like past 1 year, you want to see what is my progress of my blood glucose or my blood pressure. You can quickly go to the results section and you can just say, okay, for all my CBC tests that I have done, I want to see the progress of my hemoglobin. Just with one search you can see this. See, so in August it was 12, in October now it is 11. So this proves very useful that you can have a track of your progress of each and every health problem or each and every test. The treatment section actually comprises of all your doctor visits, all your eye prescriptions, home remedies, hospitalization, medicine, surgeries. Like say let's take a few sections. The eye prescription section, generally eye prescriptions that a doctor gives gets lost. The document can get lost. But in this, if you have stored all the numbers of your contact lenses, eyeglasses, spectacles, then it could prove very useful. Also, the other home remedies, home remedy, this software does not give any medical advice, but the home remedy section you can quickly add what all remedies you have taken for your back problem or any of the ailments. The hospitalization can actually store your complete hospitalizations right from admission to discharge. Medical device and aids is also very helpful section in which you can store all the instruments, your implants, equipments, aids that you have used, right from a thermometer to a wheelchair. The medicine section can actually help you track which medicines you took for which conditions. The reason column is showing you the reason for taking the medicine, which doctor prescribed it. The pattern, we have actually given a support where we know in real life scenario the doctor generally might say, okay, you take this medicine for a complete week for 7 days every day, thrice a day. But then afterwards, after 3 or 4 days, he sees that your condition has improved. Then the doctor says, okay, now you can take it only once a day. So all these features have been provided, and you can actually change the pattern of a medicine. Like this medicine is daily, every day, thrice a day, and then you can add a new pattern. So it proves very useful. You can have a historic data of all your medicines, and all the medicines that you have added in the software. It quickly creates a medicine chart in which it shows you like which medicines have to be taken after breakfast, before breakfast. It basically sorts all the medicines by time. So just you can log in the morning and see what medicines I have to take today. You can even save it as a PDF. You can print it and keep it with you. Then the surgery section, of course, shows you can store all your surgical procedures, operations that you underwent, which body part, reason, where did you perform it. Therapies and procedures section, right from your dialysis to a normal therapy that you might be taking, like a yoga or a massage treatments. All of them you can store here. Vaccination is a very important module for any mom who wants to track all the vaccines and immunizations that a child has already taken or the vaccinations which are due. Adding is very simple. Let me if right now you are thinking that adding data is maybe cumbersome, let me show you how easy it. If you go to a test and checkup, you just say CBC and you just click on this, it immediately populates all the result names that are generally checked in CBC. All you have to do is enter the values. So basically all with the auto suggestions and all these suggestions that we've given, not the medical advice but the suggestions. So you can the data filling becomes very easy. Like let's say vaccination, you want to quickly add a vaccination chart. You go to multiple vaccines quick add, you select which country you are from, let's say India, and you import. Your entire Indian vaccine chart for say IAP 2012 vaccine chart gets imported. All you have to do is, okay, I have taken this, my child has taken this vaccine, these vaccines are due. Even the date gets auto calculated on the basis of the age that this vaccine is recommended on, and using the child's birthday that you might have added in the account information. So basically it's very easy to enter information in the software. Now this software is not targeted only towards people who have health problems. This software is actually for healthy families. You can have your entire diet and meal plans, your fitness plans, what you plan to eat on a regular basis. It makes healthy eating much easier. And if all your fitness plans are stored in the software, then your weekly or monthly fitness activities, sports activities, your workouts, your exercises, it will actually improve the fitness of your entire family. Your diaries and journal section can actually let you store your all kinds of journals, right from a chronic condition like diabetes to maybe a baby journal where you want to record all his memories, to a fitness journal where you want to additional experiences of your workouts. Family profile is a very good section. In a way, you can have health profiles of your unlimited number of family members and friends, and this quickly shows you all your blood groups of all your relatives. Knowing this can actually prove very useful in case of an emergency, and all the health problems, there are regular medicines that they are taking. This also actually creates a family health history chart which shows you which relative of yours has which health problems. So the genetic problems that are running in your condition, hereditary problems, shows you which what are your risk factors, and you can change your lifestyle. You can show this to your doctor and he can give you lifestyle recommendation. The health insurance module, in this you can store all your policy details in one secure place, right from the premium amounts, covered persons, what is the payment frequency. All these reminders would be shown on the dashboard so that you never miss out on your premium amounts, your policy expiry date, so that you can renew your policies. Trackers and charts are the tooth chart and the baby kid milestones. With baby kid milestones, a mom can actually record right from 0 months to 5 years, birth to 5 years plus, all the milestones that a baby reaches. All the mother has to do is their checkbox is provided, tick against the milestone their baby has already reached. Like, when did the baby start smiling, when did the baby start crawling, when did the baby start walking. You can even add custom milestones like when did the baby school start. Then the tooth chart section actually has the eruption and shedding of each and every tooth of your baby you can store, and even the permanent teeth of a senior citizen. The tools and calculators has BMI calculator, BMR calculator. Just adding simple information like your height, weight gives you quickly your weight category. You can use this information to improve your health. Medical card, let me come to you, show you this important category. This medical emergency card is created, which you can actually give to all your family members. They can keep it in their wallet, they can just print it and laminate it. In case of an emergency, if this vital information is provided in the wallet, then it can always prove useful. The organ donor card is another important card, that a person who actually wishes to become an organ donor and help someone to live afterwards, then he can always carry an organ donor card. Like you see, there is also a complete contacts module in which all the doctors and emergency information can be stored. You can also use this module to store the contacts of your friends and family members. The calendar module has to-do, task, events, doctor appointments, medicine reminders, lab meet appointments. Everything can be stored. It shows in a calendar view, month view, week view, all. Then let me show you the dashboard, which I had promised I'll show you later on. The dashboard actually shows all your ongoing health problems, all your ongoing treatments, your important contacts, your pending overdue task appointments, all your upcoming events, upcoming vaccinations, your insurance policies that might be about to expire. This notification sections actually is like a reminder for your backup of your data to be taken, all the updates, that the software updates that we will be pushing to you automatically via internet. The manage section actually uses where you can add new user, you can take care of your license. Like if your computer, you want to change your computer, you can always transfer the license and move the software to another computer. All this has been taken care of. Your currency, your backup, one important part is we don't just want you to store your data, we want you to be able to export your data, bring your data in a printed format or USB format to your doctor. When you are traveling abroad or anywhere, you should be able to carry your entire data in a USB format. Exporting data in Excel format, Microsoft Excel format, or in PDF format has been provided. This way your health manager, Vobium Health Manager, has been created after years of research. We hope this software proves useful to you in some way or the other. Thank you.